Hey people, welcome back. So this morning we're at Universal's Terra Luna Resort. This officially opened in early 2025 and it sits adjacent to the brand new Epic Universe just across the way. It's about 5 minutes to get there. They've got 750 standard rooms with two queen beds in each, so they sleep up to 4 people, and they offer standard view and pool view. You get your usual amenities, so you get your mini fridge, coffee maker, TV, safe, iron, hairdryer, and you get free Wi-Fi. I got the bus here from City Walk. It took me just shy of 12 minutes. So it's a prime value hotel in their tier. It's $30 a night to park a car, and the airport is about 20 minutes away. So as you come in through the main door, you've got the vacation planning on the left, and then you've got your check-in desk over towards the right, next to the luggage area. Just next to the vacation planning is where the Universal store is. So you can get your Epic Universe merchandise from there. Toothless. How much is that? $31. So over right at the back of the lobby is going to be the Luna Bar. So they do beers, wines and spirits here with signature cocktails. Oh, we've got some beers on draft there. What have we got? Mango Cart. I'm not a lover of that. Decent IPAs. So if you come past the lobby, go to the left past the other entrance for the Universal store, it's going to take you towards the lifts, the fitness centre and the games room. After the lifts, you're going to have the games room on your right hand side. Decent size. And then just past the games room, you're going to have the gym. Oh, there's people training in there, don't worry, they won't bother them. Yeah, got free weights and whatnot. So just to the right of the lobby, you're going to have the Amiga Cafe and Market, which do breakfast, lunch and dinner, and a selection of grab and go items. You've got your resort mugs. These are always worth it. What's the prices there? So yeah, 8 days plus $30 for a mug. Lots of seated. I can imagine this would get quite busy in here with it having 750 rooms. They also do pizza delivery. That's available to your rooms up until midnight. Just head on out to the pool. So you've got a fire pit immediately on your left. Pool hours are 9 till 10. Decent sized pool, 0 entry. It's shown online as 10,000 square foot. I'll get a better view of it from upstairs. You also have a hot tub and a poolside bar and grill. Plenty of space down there. So you can get access to the games room from the pool area. Right, let's nip upstairs. So 9 floors. So it's a decent sized pool. That'll be the hot tub. This is the opposite end to the lifts. So there's the outdoor car park. Oh, and you've got your laundry. It's quite a minimalistic hotel, really. Right, so if you go out the lobby and then turn to your right, this will take you down to the resort shuttles. So like all the other hotels as well, you get your early park admission 1 hour before. And same as the other hotels, if you buy merchandise in the parks, you can have it delivered to the hotel. So when I did a review of Stella Nova, I took you on the walkway to the park, but there doesn't appear to be a walkway from this hotel. So yeah, your shuttle daily service begins an hour before early park admission. The bus service at Universal is really quite good. It has been busier since they opened Epic Universe, but it's going to be teething problems, isn't it? And they obviously need to increase the buses, which I'm sure they will at some point. Well, like I say, it's a very minimalistic hotel. It looks great. The prices are reasonable, but there's not much else to say. So I suppose we're done. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.